Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. I'm coming at you with a special video today. Today I am sharing the 2 cards that I entered into the California State Fair paper crafting competition. For one of the cards, I've used this Spellbinders cutting die. It's called Stitch Floral Flip Frame. And for the other card, I used some items for my stash, some florals from Little Birdie, and paper. I think it's from Anna Griffin. I'm not sure because I just had it, in my paper stash. So let me share with you the first card. So this is the first card, and when you enter a card in with the State Fair, you have to name it. And I named this one Floral Koi. And let me take it out of the packaging. Yeah, I always submit the card with plastic sheet. So I used the floral here and some little sweet gems from my stash, and I think those are by Prima. And the floral is, like I say, from Little Birdie. And so they give you a little card with your information, and it says 2025 California State Fair Adult Handcrafting Exhibit Tag. And so this goes in with the item. When you submit your item, you have to sign it on the back and then cover that signature up. And so I just cover it up with a little post-it note. And it tells you what division. It's paper crafting 120, and then greeting cards, which is 02, and the title is Floral Koi. And it, it's pretty strict, giving you all the information and keeping everything in together. And so for this one, they just put honorable mention. That's what they circled down here. And so when it's displayed, it was actually displayed for all to see, which is kind of cool. And then this is the little card that goes up with it when it's displayed, and it just has my name, greeting card, paper craft, and I called it Floral Koi in Sacramento County. So I'm going to also show you the scoring sheet. So the scoring sheet they use, it doesn't have your name on it or anything. It has your number and your exhibitor and all that stuff to link it with the item. And so the workmanship, they gave a 15. I guess they liked it at first, and then they marked it down. And level difficulty 15. I don't know what the highest score is. And then visual impact, the design element. So I was kind of confused why mine got marked out so much. So I don't know. And then it just said it was honorable mention. And then their comments were wonderful composition. Would like to see more completed koi. Great color choice. And I totally agree with them. I almost didn't submit this card because I only had really one koi full body shown. One is down here, but it's it's covered up a little bit. But I really like the card, and I just wanted to use it. I also used some doilies from, I think these are from Doodlebug, and then I used the die set to cut it out. It's wavy die, and then I layered it with some foam. So that was honorable mention, and it was displayed at exhibited at the fair. So the next card, let me show this one to you. This one, I used the Spellbinders die set I showed you earlier, and I named this one Stitch Florals. So, I used paper from my paper stash, which is from Basil, and then I used the embossing folder, and then this die. I don't know where this die sentiment is from, but here is the design. And then for this one, they said wonderful colors and composition. The details on the stitching is a plus. Well done. And for this one, I actually won third place ribbon. So super cool ribbon. It's really beautiful. And so I was excited about that. So I'll try again next year. Last year I won second place. I went down this year to third place. So next year I'm gonna vie for the first place. I'm gonna put a little bit more thought and effort into my design and go for first place ribbon. But let me know what you think below. I hope this is all in frame. It's a beautiful ribbon. And I'll talk to you all soon. Thank you. Bye.